Get ready to meet the ultimate workhorse, the 2023 Ford Super Duty F-350 XL regular chassis cab. This beast is powered by the formidable 7.3-liter V8 engine, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and rugged four-wheel drive. It comes ready to work with a snowplow package, skid plates, platform running boards, and a powerful 410-amp alternator. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall right here in Abbotsford. Tired of searching for a truck that can keep up with your demanding workday? Whether you're hauling equipment to a job site in Mission or navigating the back roads of the Fraser Valley, this F-350 is built for the challenge. Imagine the confidence you'll have with features like the 4.30 ratio limited slip axle and the added protection of the 14,000-pound gross vehicle weight rating package. This Oxford white chassis cab is a blank canvas for your business needs. Inside, you'll find comfort and control with the durable black ActiveX floor covering. The medium dark slate ActiveX 40/20/40 seats are practical, and the Sync 4 system with an 8-inch screen keeps you connected. It's also equipped with a trailer brake controller, trailer sway control, 6 upfitter switches for all your accessories, and the convenience of remote keyless entry and power windows and locks. For safety on the job, it includes an exterior backup alarm and a rear-view camera and prep kit. A common question we get is this truck ready for heavy-duty electrical loads and attachments? Absolutely. This Super Duty is specifically equipped with a 410-amp alternator, dual batteries, and 6 upfitter switches, making it perfect for handling demanding electrical accessories right from the factory. Plus, the transmission power takeoff provision adds even more capability for specialized equipment. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.